Mosquito over her. Okay. Mosquitoes are biting.
So, which episode is this?
I don't know.
31. What did we buy?
No idea. Zakrętarka.
Okay. So, to explain it, because she's just unpacking, we bought a bigger driver because this one cannot handle this size of bolts, what is quite understandable. So we're gonna now try it with a bigger drill. To be honest, I didn't expect the box, but nice. Yes, Makita. Let's see if the batteries are charged. Always annoys me if they don't.
Nope.
Should be.
No?
You don't have to be that close. Right.
Nothing.
Both not? Okay, that's a very short video.
Yeah. We can check if anything goes on, just for show.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. So this should be. Wait. Let's see if you can get a halfway bolt out. This is hardened concrete, so I assume not, but.
And the batteries.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, we have to charge the batteries.
So be right back. So there we are again. The charger makes a slight hum, it's a bit annoying. How do I open this? Okay, so you have to also unclick it. The Makita one, it doesn't hum at all. I like it more. There's like a ventilator in this thing, but I assume it charges quicker. Oh, let's see. Is there a power rating on this thing? It does spin. Okay, let me get another one. Not a good sign. So no, it cannot do it. That's a short video. Now the thing is good. It's just my system. It's really nice with the screws to make concrete forms. The downside is there's like a sweet spot of how the concrete, like, it depends on the temperature, but if it's like 12 hours you take some screws out and you leave the form with the smaller screws that are in the wood and not in the concrete. But this one I did when the temperature was a bit higher, 26, and I did it at 4 p.m. so I decided, okay, let's take it overnight and in the morning I will do it. And then it was too hard for my small drill. But apparently it's also now, a week later, too hard for this one. Shut up, chicken. So yeah, let me see if off camera how much I can get off, but yeah. No bueno. It's 3 or 4 times stronger, more torque than that one, but yeah, the concrete is, I guess, rock hard. So do you like the grip? Let me see how fast this is. So that is quick. So yeah, it's maybe not a fair test. I didn't expect it, because even by hand I can barely twist them. I got one out actually on the inside, but yeah, I just have to cut them off with a grinder. The good thing is, in the future I have a bigger window of when I can unscrew those bolts, but you still have to do it within I think 24 hours, something like that. That said, this wasn't a tool review. That's not really my channel. I just wanted to say we made quite a progress. Like all the rebar is done. Yeah, here I just have to remove the concrete, the wood, but it's all done. And in a couple of days they're gonna put a sealing in. Sealing is like it's called Ackermann. It's, I guess, a German name, but I'm not sure if it's German. Basically, the sealing is made out of those blocks. They go in such a way, lengthwise, and here will be concrete and rebar, and here will be concrete and rebar, and that's how you do the whole sealing. Mountain of wood for temporary supports, bunch of rebar there, and then we go up. I have my doubts. I don't think I'm gonna make a roof this year. It would be nice, but I have my doubts. Anyway, let me take the wood off camera, show you, and yeah, this is a short episode because the company will do the sealing, and when they're done I will show you what they have done. And I have a well-deserved rest of 3-4 months, 3-4 weeks, so, and some nice chickens. So, as promised, it's now all the wood is off, and you maybe are wondering, why are there 2 pillars there, 2 pillars there, and only 1 there? It's because that is a full wall, and behind that pillar is again a window, And the reason for that is the sun comes up there and then goes like that, and it roughly goes down there. So yeah, most of the sun time, especially in the winter, it goes maybe till here. Like, so in the winter we catch all the sun, and in the summer we catch still most of the sun. There's a chance it's gonna be too hot in the summer, but yeah, well, we'll see. Hopefully I can block a lot of sun like they do in Italy, etc. I don't know why I say Italy, just South Europe or hot countries in general. But I think you start to understand why I'm building here. You can see really far that way. And in the winter you can have you have a really big view, because the leaves are then gone. So yeah. Then you can see that the rebar here, here, and here, and here sticks out farther. It's because after the horizontal beam, concrete beam, I put here it's not like a vaulted window, but it's more like a triangle. So here will be like roughly a triangle, and here will be a triangle, and then the roof. So yeah, it starts to look more and more like a house. And if there's a ceiling, and if there's a roof, I stop working. I rest. I want to rest. Anyway, thanks for watching. Yeah, the next episode will be, I don't know, expect me to not post for like 1 month. So